Hey there folks, welcome back to A Greener Clean. I'm Derek, and today we're diving into a topic that can truly change the game when it comes to maintaining a clean and stress-free home. We're talking about the top reasons why you should consider hiring a house cleaning service. Let's jump right in. We all know life can get pretty hectic. Between work, family, and trying to have a personal life, it's easy for cleaning to fall by the wayside. That's where a professional house cleaning service comes in handy. By delegating the cleaning tasks, you free up valuable time for the things you love and the people who matter most. Cleaning is more than just wiping surfaces. Professional cleaning services bring expertise and efficiency to the table. They know the best products, techniques, and shortcuts to get your home sparkling in no time. You might be surprised at how thorough and quick they can be. One of the struggles of cleaning your own home is maintaining consistency. With a house cleaning service, you can schedule regular cleanings, ensuring your home stays consistently clean. No more last-minute panics before guests arrive. A cluttered or dirty home can contribute to stress and anxiety. Coming home to a clean and organized space can do wonders for your mental well-being. Let the professionals handle the cleaning, and you'll find yourself with a more serene and peaceful living environment. Professional cleaning services often offer customizable packages to suit your needs. Whether you need a deep clean, regular maintenance, or specific focus areas, you can tailor the service to fit your lifestyle and budget. So there you have it, the top reasons why hiring a house cleaning service might be the game changer you've been looking for. From saving time to reducing stress, the benefits are undeniable. If you've ever considered making that leap, now might be the perfect time. If you found this video helpful or have experiences with house cleaning services, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today on A Greener Clean. Until next time, keep it clean and happy.